Hello YouTube, Ready Reptiles here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you an upgraded version of this tortoise hut. So I did build this recently if you guys follow me on Instagram, but it's going to get a major upgrade. I am building up a heated shelter where I can put a heat lamp and lock them away if it gets too wet, too cold, and things of that sort. So from there they're going to go into here. So stay tuned for the rest of the video and let's get started. Alright guys, so I did build them a previous hut right here. As you guys can see, I have bamboo on top of it, but it's made out of cinder blocks and it works well, but I'm having trouble with rain issues. So my backyard does start to flood because the ground is clay. So if we turn ourselves here, this is a dog kennel from Home Depot. As you can see, it's really large if I can stand in it. It's 6 foot wide, 10 foot long, 6 foot high. So we're fortifying it with panels of treated plywood. And basically what we're doing here is just making a solid structure, because tortoises, if they can see through things, they're gonna want to get out of them. And also, since it is a solid, all blocked off, I'm able to put a heat lamp in here and lock it in. So when it does get cold here in South Florida, or if it gets too wet, which are not good for sulcatas, I'm able to bring them in here. They'll have cypress mulch on the floor and it'll stay dry and warm for them. So things that you probably need to build this enclosure is going to be either you can make a 2x4 frame, or if you want to purchase this cage and already has this nice metal frame, then you're going to need about 8 to 10 pieces of sheets of plywood. These are 8x4, so we're kind of cutting them to measure because this is a little bit bigger. And then for the roofing, you're going to need about 2 or 3 more plywood sheets with 2x4s to create extra support in the middle, your screws, your drills, and things of that sort. And depending on where you're doing it, what you need, how big is also determines the factor and supplies you're going to need. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're going to show you the finished product. I'm going to show you some of the tortoises, and we're going to talk about what's going on. So keep it going. So this is the station that we're cutting the woods with, and we have our handsaw, cinder blocks to kind of elevate the plywood so that we can make the necessary cuts that we need. As you can see, this panel is going to go on top of the one that I just showed you, so that I can create the entire border. So I'm going to walk down there and hopefully we're going to get this done. Alright Instagram, so the night did catch us, but here is pretty much the finished product. As you can see, this is the old house. I didn't have time to take it apart now, but I'll do that tomorrow, and it's going to clear up a lot more space in here. We opened up this section, and then we pretty much finished this off. We're going to do some minor touches to it, and obviously do some exterior work so it looks more, appealing to the eye. But as you can see, I lathered it all with cypress mulch. It's pretty much closed all around, and obviously there's ventilation, and eventually there will be a door that will go here. And I'll be able to heat it up and do things of that sort. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I'll do an updated video of this when the daytime, and it's finished product, but it's pretty much, you guys get the general idea of what's going on here. It's big enough for all my sulcatas to go in, and even more when I do get eventually some more. And yeah, they'll be heated, they'll stay warm, they'll be dry, and that's what's important. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, leave everything that you guys want to know in the comments. I'll try to reply to everyone. I know I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but I will be back, and I'm going to start posting videos here soon. So I appreciate all the support and everyone who stayed around. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you, my fellow herpers.